So tonight we're gonna listen to a lecture by Marcus Fairs. Marcus, could you explain to us what is your background?
Well, I studied design a long time ago, but wasn't particularly good at it, and then became a journalist. So for the last 15 years, I've been writing about architecture and design. I launched a magazine called Icon about 7 years ago, and then 3 or 4 years ago, launched a website called Dezeen.com.
You're gonna give a talk tonight about design and performance and the rise of performance design. It's taking place in the exhibition Design by Performance. But what exactly is performance designs? What will you be talking about tonight?
Well, I think the exhibition here is very interesting because it's putting its finger on something that's very new in design. The idea that designers are not just interested in the object that is the result of the design process, but that the design process itself can be a kind of output. And I think that, the rise of digital media has made it very easy for designers to film the way they work. The shift away from the 20th century way of doing design, in which you isolated yourself from the production, has dissolved, and designers are much more involved in craft processes now and actually making things. But there's definitely been a rise in the number of designers who are using performance in their work or in their process, but it's very early days, and this is the first exhibition I've seen that actually tackles that. So in terms of theorizing it and establishing what's going on, I'm not entirely sure, but this is a great starting